What's going on, guys? Welcome to Nobori Auto. My name is Sean, and this is the third installment of the Titan XD rebuild. So in today's video, I'm gonna do some fluids. I'm gonna hop in here and get the Titan started.
Throw it back, throw it back, throw it back, throw it back, throw it back.
Oh crap, son.
Throw it back.
Okay, I'm out of shape now. Let's actually get this video started. So I have my list here of maintenance items that I'm gonna do today, and I'm pretty much treating this as if there was not any maintenance done on this vehicle. But based on Nissan, automatic transmission fluid, front differential, rear differential, engine air filter, oil change, fuel filter, and then I'll just do the cabin air filter as well. While the fuel filter's out, I'm gonna do that, even though I think I already said that. But let's get to it.
Throw it back, 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 throw it back.
While the oil is draining, I'm gonna come up here and take out the engine air filter.
Let's turn up when the bass drop. Throw it back, 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 back. Throw it back, 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 back. Throw it back, 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 back. Throw it back, girl. Let's turn up when the bass drop.
Today is sponsored by Barney and Royal Purple, but not really. Put some purple juice in the Titan. So the fuel filter housing, I told you guys that it was broken. It wasn't. It's this little connector right here that screws in, and it was busted off and then leaking out of this portion right here, which is awesome. I got the new one from Nissan, 30 bucks versus 500 for the whole thing. So I'm glad it didn't crack the housing on this, and it's just this sensor. So time to get it swapped over, and then can throw this thing back in there. So that's all it is right there. And I don't have any diesel fuel here, so I'm gonna have to run to the gas station and go get at least just like 5 or 10 gallons of it, so then I can fill up the fuel filter housing and then get some in the system as well after, so then there's enough to be able to start the vehicle. Okay, then down here we got this Wix fuel filter kit, which is for the one underneath the truck and then the other one in the engine bay. everything is swapped over that I'm going to swap over in this video, like the last video, I'm going to do some stuff off camera because there's only so much montage I could do without just being boring. Like I probably already am. But time to get this motorcycles. Okay, time to get this diesel in the fuel tank. That I got diesel in there. I am going to get this thing figured out and see if the scanner that I was sent a little bit ago will read those codes. So I'm going to turn this on and see if it will actually read anything. And this is kind of the deciding factor. In the GTR, I wasn't too happy with this thing. We'll see if it totally redeems itself. The professional diagnosis report, 6 codes. Water and fuel sensor, engine fuel shutoff, low pressure fuel system, exhaust gas cap sensor, low fuel pressure, fuel rail pressure. Okay, so let's go and delete all of those. They all came back. Oh, one abnormal code this time. Exhaust gas temp sensor, bank 1, sensor 5. Emissions garbage. Ready? Heck to the yes. The truck freaking started. Oh, it's a miracle. My GoPro batteries died, so they're all charging right now. Come on, Sean. But if this is what I think it is, this is really exciting. You guys have no idea how excited I am for this. And here's my huge shout out to Rough Country for sending me this kit. So as you can see, this is a beefy kit. I'm doing a 6-inch lift on the Titan. You won't be seeing the install in this video, but stay tuned because in a future video, soon to come, this kit's getting installed. You guys are more than welcome to wait and see how this turns out. But if you're looking for a lift kit and Rough Country has a lift kit available for your vehicle, go check them out, roughcountry.com. Okay, so on that note, this video is done. Like, just all around awesome stuff happened this video, and I hope you guys agree. That being said, go check out my Instagram. I post stuff before you'll see it on YouTube, and I post extra content there. Still trying to get into the stories thing, don't understand it, but I'll learn. If you like this video, actually go click on the like button. You guys were killing it with my like to dislike ratio, and I hope I can keep that up. But thanks for watching. Be safe. Stay tuned for more content. The lift kit. See you guys later. I got diesel and oil all over. What do I do with my hands? Put them down? Oh, okay.